What's up guys and what's cracking? I'm Soa and welcome to NKGplus. So let's go into the settings. Now once again, I've never seen this also being showed by any creator. So we need to first of all have developers option open. For you to get your developers options open, you need to go into about phone, go into software information and build number. Tap that a number of times. So there it goes. No need, developers mode already enabled. So once you've done that, the developers mode would have been open. Now I know a lot of creators have covered that, so if you need to find out more about it, just Google or YouTube developers option and that will come up. That being said, also another part which has been covered is the transition to make this run smoothly. So we can see that we've got the transition scales over there. Alright. Now, with the transition, you can either turn it off or get your animation scale to 0.5. So we are going to put it onto 0.5, and that will make all the transitions run smooth enough and give you that extra speed you need when you're transitioning through screens. Notice at the top part we've got force right to left layout. Now that's how I normally have my screen set up. So we click on that. Ta-da! Now I feel more comfortable utilizing it this route. I'll show you. Let's just put the pen back in there. So let's go back. Even in regards to this, now it's from A to Z. So I feel much easier and comfortable working like this. I read my messages. I've got the G sign there, so I read it from that way to that way, even though it's right to left. With that being said, now I find it more comfortable to utilize my phone in this manner. One last thing which I'm going to show you is the bottom navigation bars. How to change this around. We need to go into display. So we go back into settings, go into display, and we go into navigation bar. In the bottom of the navigation, we have got button layout. So the button layout is for your home screen. Well, it's not for your home screen, it's for just the bottom navigation. So this is how we have it. Your recent is there and your back button is there. That's how it's generally set. I prefer it to set it to have your back on your left and your recent on your right. So guys, if you enjoyed this and you have any suggestion, please tick the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up or thumbs down. Either way, your opinion is worth a million. So we'll see you in the next show.